नमस्ते दोस्तों, जूम रिव्यू शो में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं ओमर कुरैशी and I'm back with the latest from the world of Bollywood. Which film is a hit and which one you should give a miss, I'll tell you. But first, big thanks for all your love. You've kept those messages coming constant, so keep writing in at 58888 and see your verdict on the new films on this show.
Type ZR space the first three letters of the film name space your name space your rating from 1 to 5 space your comments if any to 58888. We will air your comment live during the show.
On the show today, I'll review this week's two big Bollywood releases. पहली फिल्म है ऊल पटांग. विनय पाठक and Mahi Gill star in this crime comedy. और इस हफ्ते की दूसरी हिंदी रिलीज है चित्रांगदा सिंह की much delayed, much awaited movie ये साली जिंदगी. Must say the Rusky Beauty has made us wait for too long. 2 years to show off a much talked about acting skills. But will the wait be worth it? और हॉलीवुड की ओर से है one of their most reputed filmmakers जेम्स कैमरून की latest production Sanctum. It opens in cinemas this week. अवतार और टाइटैनिक के बाद. ये सब सिर्फ आपके लिए आज के शो पर. So let's begin with the review of Ool Patang starring Mahi Gill, which will see the actress in a new glamorous avatar after we last spotted her in a cameo in Dabangg. The crime comedy Ool Patang is a mishmash of plots. Ram, the quintessential Seedha-Sada guy, is in love with Sanjana, the quintessential Chalu cheese. She wants his money and he has none. So she dumps him for a local goon. Chalu, that cheese, she flees with the goon's money and hides his stash in Ram's house. Now Ram doesn't have a clue about it, but the whole world does. So while everyone is chasing the cash, Ram, who eventually gets it, wants to run away from it. The all-important final question being, पैसे का क्या होगा? Vinay Pathak plays a double role in the movie. First, he's the Bhola Bala Ram who gets dumped and dominated by his girl. And then he's also the shrewd conman alias wannabe Frenchman. Pathak has already proven his prowess as an actor in all his previous films like Bheja Fry and Khosla Ka Ghosla. Now to watch him switch from being Mr. Nice to the cigar-smoking bad boy is entertaining, though neither of them are his most memorable characters. They just weren't strong enough to impress. Rather, they were too frivolous to watch. Vinay, we want to see you in better roles. You're capable of better. Mahi Gill, who plays a street-smart temptress in Ool Patang, has done a commendable job. She's impressed us in the past with movies like Devdi, though she hasn't shown much skill since. Here she returns to a good role with a vengeance. But girl, you need to keep choosing good roles like this to keep the momentum going. Saurabh Shukla plays the friend and Sanjay Mishra plays the foe in Ool Patang. In their scenes together, they are brilliant. In the individual performances, Sanjay hardly has much to do, but it's Saurabh who turns out to be the fun guy. In this comic caper, he's up to a lot of funny antics, be it reciting poetry or making a puppy face or being the smart aleck investigator. He does it all with a lot of style. Srikanth V. Velagaletti is a debutant director and story writer of Ool Patang. The film has too many subplots and flashbacks woven together, and it doesn't all blend together to create cinematic magic. The characters come across as rather silly, though they are exceptions. In a very conscious effort to cull this into a comedy, too much humor has been added rather forcefully, and the movie just stops being funny at times. To start off with, Ool Patang isn't a very interesting plot, with extremely bleak character sketches. Even the picturization and the flow of events don't leave you gasping for more. More so on the cast, popular for the acting skills in the past, who are fitted into roles that just don't do them justice. Nonetheless, for a debut effort, the director deserves a pat on the back for handling such good actors and a rather complicated plot. I go with 2 stars for Ool Patang. और अब वक्त है इस हफ्ते की दूसरी फिल्म रिव्यू का, सुधीर मिश्रा's ये साली जिंदगी. This one's a whole masala flick with lots of laughter. Arun, played by Irfan Khan, is a CA in love with Preeti, played by Chitrangada Singh. She, in turn, is in love with Shyam, whose bankrupt father has promised his hand in marriage to a politician's daughter. Now, besides the lovers, there's a whole gang of thieves. There's Bade and Chote, 2 Gunda brothers, their right-hand man Kuldeep, with a pretty wife and kid, and a corrupt cop, played by Sushant Singh. Now, everyone wants money, so Shyam and his girl are kidnapped. But instead of the politician's daughter, who would bring a healthy ransom, the crazy gundas mistakenly lift the penniless Shyam and his equally poor single girlfriend Chitrangada. So now the question is, will the chores get their money back and will the lovers unite? ये है कहानी इस crime comedy ये साली जिंदगी की. Irfan Khan plays Arun, CA to a conman who's a middleman for corrupt politicians trying to hide their black money. We've always known him to be a brilliant actor, and he shines in this film too with his comic timing. He's also a hopeless lover in the movie, and it's a joy to watch him be the bad guy and yet steal your heart with his hilarious antics. The dusky Chitrangada Singh, whom many compare to the likes of Smita Patil, is not just stunningly beautiful but immensely talented. She holds your attention in every frame. I don't understand what took her so long to get back to film since 2008, but I hope we get to see more of her and in a larger variety of films. Arun Uday Singh, who plays Kuldeep, is a goon who's stuck between his family and his corrupt ways. While he tries really hard, it's his half-baked character that doesn't carry too much weight, yet his hard work is clearly evident and much appreciated. Sudhir Mishra, who's made some good films like Chameli and Hazaro Khwaishein Aisi, has done a commendable job with this one too, though it's not in the same league. The plot is too convoluted to make for comfortable viewing. Also, the language and humor is not to everyone's taste, especially women and children. But it's the entertaining storytelling and brilliant acting extracted from the cast that merits Sudhir a pat on the back. Most of the songs in the movie are peppy, with catchy tunes that grow on you as they also double up as background scores in different scenes. I especially love the title track Picture as on Chitrangada, which the actress has sung as well. I give a thumbs up to the music directors Nishad Khan and Abhishek Ray of Ye Saali Zindagi. Ye Saali Zindagi is essentially all about its actors, their screen presence and comic timing and excellent acting. If only the narrative was simpler and unnecessary characters and scenes removed, it would have made for more pleasurable viewing. Nonetheless, for keeping me glued to the screen despite taking me through a maze, I give it 3 stars. After creating 2 top money spinners like Avatar and Titanic, filmmaker James Cameron's Sanctum, an underwater adventure thriller in 3D, is most talked about. Can it sail smoothly to live up to his legacy? Let's see. What Avatar and Titanic had that Sanctum doesn't is visual splendor. Set in a deep cave, this 3D film has us on the edge of our seats, though only in parts, with scintillating camera work in certain scenes adding to the effect, though the acting and dialogues leave much to be desired. Also, Cameron isn't captaining this ship, this time round given that he's a producer. The film has a James Cameron stamp all over it, though it lacks his trademark shock value. I give it 3 stars. So there you have it, my take on this week's movies. एक छोटे से break के बाद देखते हैं audience के reactions on the new releases. Stay with me. Welcome back to the Zoom Review Show. मैं हूँ Omar Qureshi. And just like I promised, the audience verdict on the new movies straight from the cinemas.
This was a different movie, a very interesting one.
मूवी बहुत डिफरेंट है, बहुत अच्छी है.
It's nice. You can see one time. It's okay.
It's a good movie and I think everyone should go and watch. It's exciting but a little boring in parts.
Just please go and watch it. Have fun.
I must say that the actors working in the movie are brilliantly.
और अब वक्त है एक छोटे से recap का on this week's new movies. I've given Ye Saali Zindagi 3 stars, Ood Patang 2 stars और Sanctum को 3 stars. Thanks for messaging me your comments on the new movies. आप अपने views मुझे भेजते रहिए facebook.com/OmarQureshi पर. You can also SMS me at 58888.
Type ZR space the first 3 letters of the film name space your name space your rating from 1 to 5 space your comments if any to 58888. We will air your comment live during the show.
Hey guys, you can now review the latest film releases through your Nokia 5233 mobile phones. All Nokia 5233 users use the Kiss and Slap application on your phones and send kisses or slaps on the movie releases every week. And based on the number of kisses or slaps received, I will disclose the public reviews. Last week's Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji got 200 kisses and 400 slaps. Danny Boyle की 127 hours को मिले 300 kisses और 100 slaps. और Christina Aguilera की debut film Burlesque को मिले 200 kisses और 400 slaps. So friends, there's lots of the cinemas this weekend. Drama, comedy, action, adventure, romance, 3D. You can have fun. But if you still want more, I highly recommend the 60s Devanand Sadhna Nanda starrer Hum Dono that returns in color like Mughal Azam did a few years ago. This one's a timeless classic with great music and the evergreen Devanand. Don't forget to come back again next week, same time, same place, only on the Zoom Review Show. This is Omar Qureshi signing off. Bye bye and God bless.